Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this Komodo dragon, and yes, this is a real animal. It's very weird, you should look it up. So if you want to fold this, grab some paper and let's get folding. Alright, so for a Komodo dragon this size, I'm going to use a 6-inch square, and this model is medium level complexity, but it's very manageable. Alright, so we want to start colored side up, and we're going to value fold this point up to this point, so just diagonally fold in half. Alright, now let's unfold, rotate, and do the same in the other direction. Alright, now we want to do a blend space, which is basically folding all the 4 corners to this center point. And that's a blend space. Alright, now we want to turn over, and let's rotate it this way. And we want to value fold this point up to that point. Alright, now let's unfold, rotate, and repeat. Alright, now let's unfold, and we want to fold this edge up to this crease. And you want to make sure that the raw corner swings out when you do this. And let's unfold, and then let's do the same on the other side. Alright, now let's unfold, and you want to fold these both at the same time now, like that, making sure the corners swing out once again, and let's collapse this middle flap to the right. Alright, now let's rotate and repeat. Alright, so the model should now look like this. Alright, so now you want to value fold this edge up to this edge. And then you want to value fold this raw edge upwards so that it also meets the center edge. Alright, and now rotate and repeat. So value fold up edge to edge. And then value fold the other edge up so that it matches the same edge there. Alright, now let's fold these 2 flaps back, and then now we want to make a fish base here. So let's value fold edge to edge, unfold, and then do the same thing over here, edge to edge. And then we want to fold them both at the same time, like this. And then let's collapse it to the left. Alright, now let's turn over and do the same thing. Alright, now we're going to do something a bit tricky, so I'm going to zoom in. And we want to make a value fold so that the raw edge aligns with this edge right here. Like that. And we want this flap to go inside. We want these 2 edges to match. And then flatten it like that. Alright, and now we want to bring this edge over, and we're going to do kind of a swivel fold. Like that. And then bring, once again, this top edge to the edge right behind it. Like that. Alright, now let's do it again over here. So let's bring the edge down to the crease. And then you want this edge to align with this edge. Like that. And then flatten it down so that it looks like that. And then you want this to fold over like that. And then flatten so that this edge aligns with this edge. Okay, so it should look like that. Alright, now we want to value fold these flaps over, and then we want to do something similar here. So what you want to do is grab this edge and this edge, and you want to value fold down so that it meets this edge. And you want to try making sure that the layers do not slide. Alright, and then you want to bring this flap inside. No, actually you don't. You want to open this up, and then you want to make this a mountain fold. And then you want to bring that mountain fold down, and you want to make it so that this edge aligns with this point right here. Like that. And then valley fold. Well, just flatten, rather. And then now what we want to do is do the same on this side. So hold both layers and fold this down. And then you want to make this a mountain fold. And you want it to align with this point right here. And then you just want to flatten like that. And make sure that this flap is green. Alright, and then one last thing, you want to make sure that these corners are folded upwards. So you take them and then you just valley fold them back. Okay, so the model should look like that. Alright, now we're going to finish the model up. So what you want to do is we're going to crimp the legs a little bit. So you want to open here and then just crimp this down just a little bit. Like that. And then do the same on the other one. Alright, and then now on these ones you want to crimp in this direction just a little bit. Alright, so it looks like that. Now you want to turn over and you want to make a valley fold in between these 2 points right here. So let's valley fold this up. And then we're going to make sort of a curved fold, so let's hold it like this. And let's start right here. Then you want it to kind of round in the middle and then go back down. So if we unfold it, it's sort of like an arc. And then you want to bring those folds together, and let's turn over and let's just sort of round it out. Alright, now this is where the model starts taking shape. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to make little crimps right here. There's no reference to this, just make it kind of like that. Maybe it starts at the hand and then it goes up. And then let's do the same on this side, trying to make it even with the other side. That's nice, okay. And then you want to reverse fold this tip in as a final step. Like that. Now just smooth the model out. Right, and there it is. I hope you're able to fold that. And yeah, in the meantime, have fun folding.